Hey Art One, here's how to set up your paper for our linear perspective drawing. What you'll need is your newsprint. This is 12 by 18 inches. You're going to need 2 wings, which look like this. You'll need 2 strings, and you'll need tape. Now, what are the wings for? The wings allow us to extend the horizon line and vanishing points beyond the confines of this paper. Because if we just use this width, your drawing is going to be a little narrow and your construction is going to look a little cinched and exaggerated. So we put these papers, these wings, to extend our vanishing points and horizon lines outward. Now, where you put your wings and string, though, are going to depend on the viewpoint. If you want to use a bird's eye view, which means majority of your drawing is going to be under the horizon line, you're going to need to set up your wings so they're towards the top of your paper. I wouldn't put them right at the top, but let me show you how to attach them. So we're just going to use some tape and we're going to put them just about equal length, and we're just going to use tape, and we're taping it on the back. So make sure you have enough tape ready to go. And then when we flip it over, we can also secure our wings with just a little bit of tape here. Now, if you decide that you want your drawing to be at eye level, you'll need to place your wings in the middle, basically. You're going to have your wings go through the middle of the paper. Same idea, the wings help us extend the horizon line and vanishing points outward. And it's the same thing when you're going to attach it to your paper, except we're placing them more in the middle. You can eyeball it, doesn't have to be perfect, but again, we want these wings to be about equal distance sticking out from your paper, just like this. Now, if you want your drawing though to be worm's eye view, which means most of your drawing is going to be above the horizon line. Remember, worm's eye view is your like a little worm looking up. If you want most of your drawing to be above the horizon line, then we're going to place our wings along the bottom of the paper. And it's the same thing when we set up the wings. I'll show you how to attach the strings. So for this demo, I'm just going to use my drawing that's set up for eye level. So that means the wings are going through the middle. So what I'm going to do at each edge, I'm going to, first of all, determine where the middle of this height is. That is my vanishing point right there, which means my string, make sure it's long enough so it's actually going to go across your paper, but we're going to actually attach the string right at the edge here. Now the string helps us find the converging lines. So you're going to see in a different video how to actually use the string to find your converging lines. So make sure you put enough tape so the string doesn't pop out. If it does, no big deal. We can always tape it back. And then on that opposite wing, same idea. There's our other vanishing point. And I'm going to take the string, get some tape, and attach it right on top of that dot. Now, every time you sit down to work on your drawing, though, you're going to have to tape the wings to the table, because if you're trying to pull the string and your wings are flapping around, you're going to have a really hard time working on your drawing. So yes, your wings are only temporary. Think of them as a tool to help us extend the horizon line and vanishing points outward from your composition.